There are many best stand mixers to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best stand mixers from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the product description for pricing and details. Number 1. West Cookade Stand Mixers. 3.4 QD Mixers Kitchen Electric Stand Mixer. 6 plus piece speed tilt head portable household mixers for daily use with egg whisk, dough hook, flat beater. The WESD COKID 3.4 QD Compact Stand Mixer is a perfect kitchen companion for beginners, small families, and anyone who loves baking with ease. Featuring a powerful 300W motor and a spacious 3.4 quart stainless steel mixing bowl, it effortlessly handles everything from cake batter to bread dough. The 6-speed control with pulse function provides precise mixing for a variety of recipes, while the planetary mixing action ensures every ingredient is thoroughly blended for consistent results. Its tilt-head design makes adding ingredients and changing attachments quick and convenient, while the removable splash guard helps keep your kitchen clean. Built with durable, food-grade accessories, including a stainless steel whisk, Teflon-coated dough hook, and flat beater, it offers reliable, long-lasting performance. 4 strong suction cups provide excellent stability during operation with its compact, space-saving design. Benefits: saves time and effort. The powerful 300W motor and planetary mixing action ensure fast, consistent mixing, reducing manual effort and delivering smooth, even results every time. Perfect for small spaces. Its compact, space-saving design fits easily in apartments, RVs, and small kitchens while offering enough capacity for everyday baking and cooking needs. Number 2. A-School Stand Mixer. 7.5 QD 660W Electric Dough Mixer. Kitchen 10-speed tilt-head food mixer for baking and cake. The A-School 7.5 QD Stand Mixer is a powerful and versatile kitchen appliance designed to simplify baking and cooking for families and home bakers. Equipped with a durable 660W pure copper motor, it effortlessly mixes, kneads, and whips a wide variety of ingredients, from bread dough and pizza dough to whipped cream, meringues, and cake batter. The spacious 7.5 quart mixing bowl with convenient handle provides ample capacity for large batches, while the included dough hook, flat beater, wire whisk, and splash guard offer everything needed for everyday recipes. Its 10-speed control allows precise mixing for different ingredients and textures, ensuring consistent results every time. The tilt-head design makes it easy to install accessories and add ingredients, while 6 anti-slip suction cups provide excellent stability during operation. Benefits: handles large batches with ease. Number 3. Fohir Stand Mixer. Fohir 5.8 QD stainless steel mixer with dough hook, mixing beater, wire whip, dishwasher safe, 6 plus piece speeds tilt head kitchen dough mixers for cake. The Fohir 5.8 QD stand mixer is a powerful kitchen essential designed to make baking easier and more efficient. Powered by a 600W motor with planetary mixing action, it thoroughly blends dough, batters, cream, and meringues for consistent results. Its unique S-shaped spiral dough hook provides faster, more effective kneading, while the durable all-metal body ensures long-lasting performance and excellent heat dissipation. The spacious 5.8 quart stainless steel bowl is perfect for preparing large family-sized batches. Featuring 6 speed settings with a pulse function, it offers precise control for every recipe. Benefits: fast and efficient mixing. The 600W motor, planetary mixing action, and spiral dough hook deliver faster, more thorough mixing for bread, cakes, cookies, and whipped desserts. Durable for everyday use. The all-metal body, stainless steel bowl, and anti-slip suction feet provide long-lasting performance, stability, and reliable operation in any kitchen. Number 4. Vicola's 3.2 QD2 in one stand mixer, electric kitchen mixer with auto-rotating bowl and tilt head, 5-speed 250W turbo baking machine for beginners. This 2-in-1 stand and hand mixer is a versatile kitchen appliance designed for effortless baking and everyday food preparation. Easily switch between a powerful stand mixer for kneading dough and a lightweight hand mixer for whipping cream, beating eggs, or mixing batters. Powered by a 250W motor with 5 speed settings and a turbo boost function, it delivers precise control for a wide range of recipes. The innovative 360 degrees auto-rotating bowl and dual-direction beaters provide thorough, hands-free mixing for consistently smooth results. Its 3.2 quart bowl is ideal for daily family baking, while the compact tilt-head design saves space. Complete with dishwasher-safe attachments and a splash guard, cleanup is quick and convenient. Benefits: point 2-in-1 convenience. Functions as both a stand mixer and a detachable hand mixer, saving kitchen space while handling everything from heavy dough to quick mixing tasks. Consistent hands-free mixing. The 360 degrees auto-rotating bowl and dual direction beaters ensure even ingredient distribution for smooth, lump-free batters and doughs with minimal effort. Number 5. Dash Dash Everyday Stand Mixer. Compact tilt-head stand mixer for everyday recipes. 6-speed power with stainless steel bowl, Aqua 3-quart. The Dash Everyday 3 QD Stand Mixer is a compact and versatile kitchen companion designed for everyday baking and cooking. Featuring 6 preset speeds, it effortlessly mixes, whisks, beats, and kneads a variety of recipes, from cookie dough and cake batter to whipped cream, frosting, and bread dough. Its tilt-head design allows easy access for adding ingredients or changing attachments, while the durable 3-quart stainless steel bowl provides the ideal capacity for daily meal preparation. Lightweight and space-saving. It fits neatly on most countertops without taking up valuable space. Dishwasher-safe dough hooks, beaters, and a removable mixing bowl make cleanup quick and simple, making the stand mixer a convenient addition to any kitchen. Benefits: compact and space-saving. The lightweight 3-quart stand mixer fits comfortably on most countertops, making it perfect for small kitchens while staying ready for everyday use. Versatile everyday mixing. 6-speed settings, dough hooks, and beaters make it easy to prepare everything from cake batter and frosting to bread and pizza dough. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information. Or if you want to know product price, please check my video description. For any kind of queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.